Here is an easy and fun way to make paper garlands. Paper garlands are perfect for party decoration or just as a fun thing to do when you're bored. You'll want to start by taking an A4 piece of paper, dividing it up to 3 strips. Next, you'll be folding your piece of paper into a type of zigzag-like fold, just like I'm showing here. Once you have your concertina shape, you want to trace your template onto the paper, just like I'm showing you here. For the cutting out part, I definitely recommend a small sharp scissors. It is to make your life so much easier. For the eyes of the skull, I'm using a craft knife to be able to cut that out. And here it is, the final result. They are so awesome, and you can piece them together with tape, make many of these, and use them as decorations for any holiday. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in my next one.